Giraffe only rewards purchases that it can successfully verify through the Google Play account linked to the app. If your purchase isn't recognized, the problem is usually a verification issue, not a missing payment. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest ways to get Giraffe to recognize your purchase and what to do if it still doesn't. Start by confirming that you made the purchase through the same Google account connected to Giraffe. If you switched accounts, installed the app on another profile, or paid with a different Google account, Giraffe may not be able to match the transaction. Next, open Google Play. Tap your profile picture, then go to Wide Payments and Subscriptions, and Inch Budget and Order History. Make sure the purchase shows as completed, not pending or canceled. A pending payment can't usually be verified until Google Play finishes processing it. Now we'll open Giraffe and check whether there's a refresh option in the Rewards or Purchases section. If there isn't, completely close the app, reopen it, and give it some time to sync. Verification isn't always instant because the app has to receive confirmation from Google Play before crediting your account. If the purchase still isn't recognized, make sure you're running the latest version of Giraffe from Google Play. An outdated version can sometimes cause syncing or reward tracking problems. It's also worth checking that your internet connection is stable while the app tries to verify the purchase. If nothing changes after waiting, the next step is contacting Giraffe support. Include the email address linked to your Giraffe account, your Google Play order number, the purchase receipt, and a screenshot showing the completed transaction. Giving support all of that information in your first message usually speeds up the verification process because they won't need to ask for it later. One more thing to check is whether the purchase actually qualifies for a reward. Some promotions only apply to specific offers, first-time purchases, or purchases made after activating a particular challenge. If your purchase doesn't meet those conditions, it may not be eligible, even though the payment was successful. The key things to remember are simple. Verify you're using the correct Google account, confirm the purchase is completed in Google Play, and contact support with your receipt if the reward never appears. Try those steps in order before making another purchase. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more quick app fixes and troubleshooting videos.